Hello guys, we are in Liverpool. I am sitting outside in the terrace of Liverpool 1. It's such a nice day today. I'm so happy to be here. I'm about to have some lunch. Today is kind of like my day off, so I'm just enjoying some sunshine and going around the city. And yeah, I'll bring you guys with me.
See, I've been watching you for a while, smiling style. Wanna know if I can be with you for the night. Is that alright, baby? Baby, there is only one for me. You have made that possibility.
Welcome to my new car. Oh my god, I've not shown you, but yeah. Welcome to my new car. I'll show you a little bits. This is my new car. I could do this. I don't know, but I could. Let's try. Oh my gosh, this angle is horrible. Plus, you can only see my belly. Right, let's make a move. So I'm actually going to retail park. So actually, let me give you a rundown of what I did today. Welcome to the vlog. I feel like I've not said welcome yet. I went to Liverpool because I wanted to check out John Lewis, because they carry a lot of different baby brands. So I thought I want to go to a place where I can see a lot of different options, which was really good. And they were really nice in there as well. So yeah, that was that. And what else, guys? Nothing. So yeah, Liverpool this morning. It's really, really nice. You probably already saw some footage. And then now I'm going to the retail park. I just need to check for a new shower head and new towels. And I'm gonna have a little look in TK Maxx, because I'm telling you right now, the TK Maxx where I'm going now, it's so good for skincare. They always have the best.
We can take a step to see.
You know what I need? I need a good tripod. A tripod. I could put you. I've got it. I've got one. Bear with me. I've got one. Boom. So I am back home, as you can tell. I'm absolutely exhausted. This is me now. I wanted to show you what I got today. The boring stuff first. I just bought a new shower head. 2 sets of towels, one white and one grey, because yeah, I needed new towels. And then TK Maxx always have things, good things. So they had the Beauty of Johnson Radiance Cleansing Balm. I kind of bought a new face cleansing routine because my skin is absolutely going crazy at the minute. It might be my pregnancy, it might be the weather, it might be whatever it might be, my skin changing, which is fine, but my skin is literally flaking off, peeling, like I don't even know how to explain. I went to Boots as well. Boots had 20% off La Roche 20% off La Roche-Posay, which is a French brand, French pharmacy. If you don't know, now you know. I have heard a lot about this, and because it was 20% off, I paid £19. It's usually 25, so I thought, right, I might try it. This is like a purifying foaming cleanser, and then I bought my love Skin Food. Obviously everybody knows about this cream. If you don't, just try it. If you have oily skin, I will recommend the light version. It's called Skin Food Light, but I love this. I love this underneath makeup. It's one of the best primers out there, especially if you want a glowy base, and it's all natural. From the same brand, I got the Stretch Mark massage oil. This is like for my belly. I've been using it my whole pregnancy. And then last but not least, I've bought this cream, which again I hope it helps with my flakiness. It's the Citroben for dry, itchy, eczema prone skin. I've seen these online. This is £6 in Boots, and I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna give it a go. And that was it. That's all I got. Hello. I am about to do, this is my station. I'm about to do my nails. So before and after. Here you go. A black and white French tip. And I am out of the shower. I've got my ears on. Let's start cleansing my face. Oh, it comes with a spatula. That's really cool. Doesn't really have a fragrance, which I love. I massage it into my hands and it becomes a oil, and then I just go all over my face and remove all the makeup and impurities. That's good. Look, it came out really well, just with water, so I'm happy with that. Then I'm gonna use a foaming cleanser. I'm using the La Roche-Posay one. This one has got more of like a minty kind of smell, eucalyptus maybe, and I rinse it off. My skin feels nice. Yeah, my skin feels very nice and clean, which is a good feeling. I'm just gonna put a little bit of eye cream. I'm using this one. I'm gonna use my trusted Skin Food. I just need something extra because my skin has been playing me, and this is the perfect one. That's it. As you can tell, my skin is pretty glowing at the minute, and it's time for me to just put my PJ on and go to sleep. Good night. Welcome to a new day. I woke up late. It's good. I went to bed really late and I'm feeling still really tired. And I'm trying to be healthier. I'm trying my hardest, but it's so hard, guys. It's so hard when you're pregnant and you know, people say, what's your craving? I don't have a specific craving. I can just eat everything. That's my craving. Everything is my craving. Literally, you can give me whatever and I'll just eat it. Yeah, I'm gonna have breakfast. And then we're gonna tackle the day and see what the day brings. Why do I wanna do this when I'm fully pregnant? Absolutely do not recommend to anybody. I am just out of my mind. Just don't do what I do and you will do the right thing, pretty much. Oh my god, I'm in pain. I have been at home today, most of the day. I had a prenatal class and it was good. It was very informative actually. And then I came home. I was supposed to go to this baby show taking place in Manchester because I still haven't bought anything at all for the baby, which I'm fine with. I still have 2 months to go. I do not have a clue of what to buy, where to start, what's useful, or what's not. It's my first baby. It's my first rodeo. And if you check online, the list and the registry and the things that people buy, it's just a lot. It's a lot. But then who am I? I honestly don't have a clue. And I feel like I'm gonna make a mistake anyway. I am actually gonna show you what I use for my belly. I am in my 7th month of pregnancy. I can't show you. But I've been using this product since month 2/3. When I didn't even have a belly yet. I would suggest start as soon as you know you're pregnant and then you keep doing it. I've been doing it once a day at night before I go to bed. I've been using 2 products. The Walida Stretch Mark Oil Massage Oil. This is the first product I use, and the second product I use, and this is every night. It's the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Tummy Butter for Stretch Marks. Is this one. This is literally £4. £4. This is like around 15-19 pounds, depends where you buy it. And what I like about this combination is like the oil tends to stay on top but tends to rub off really easily as well. So I put the oil massaging really well, and then on top of the oil I put this kind of like as a protective layer. So this will do its things well, but also will keep the oil on the skin for longer, so you can have a little bit more of the benefit from both. So yeah, that's my layering technique. And that's what I've been using. That's it.